So, वेलकम बैक टू द फुटबॉल विटनेस. बहुत दिन में बात नहीं की. सो भाई ऑलमोस्ट नवंबर आ चुका है. ठीक है, नवंबर नहीं जो अक्टूबर के बीच में है हम. ठीक है, एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फेस बिकॉज मैचेस बढ़ते जाते हैं अभी. जो नवंबर में इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक आता है, दैट्स द लास्ट इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक ऑफ द ईयर. डायरेक्ट नेक्स्ट इंटरनेशनल ब्रेक इज़ इन नेक्स्ट मार्च. ठीक है, सो जो बीच में मैचेस है बहुत बहुत खतरनाक रहते हैं, स्पेशली फॉर प्रीमियर लीग क्लब्स, बिकॉज उनके लिए मतलब भाई काराबा कप, FA कप सब शुरू होता है. एंड दिसंबर में तो स्पेशली बहुत इंजरीज होते हैं. ठीक है, प्रीमियर लीग में तो बहुत इंजरीज होते हैं, राइट. एंड दैट्स व्हाट हैपेंड टू लिवरपूल लास्ट सीजन. सी इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट. ओके, लाइक अगर एक सीज़न हगो है एक टीम के लिए, बहुत हगे, ठीक है, सही नहीं खेले सब जगह, मतलब एवरी कॉम्पिटिशन में दे वर डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. Okay, which Liverpool were not last season by the way, but a point is that अगर वो अच्छा नहीं खेले एक सीज़न में, फॉर एग्जांपल अगर रियल मैड्रिड 18-19 में बहुत ख़राब है, ओके, बिकॉज हाँ राउंड ऑफ 16 में आइक्स के साथ हार गए, फिर सेमीफाइनल में कोपा अमेरिका में हार गए, ला लीगा टाइटल रेस में ऑलमोस्ट 19 पॉइंट्स बिहाइंड बार्सिलोना. ओके, इट्स एन एम्बैरसमेंट फॉर देम. So next season what they did, they bought back Zinedine Zidane and they spent about 300 million in the transfer market. So they mean business. So we have made some mistakes last season. We want to correct them. So we made this signing. So let's see what happens. At least action to liye. Okay. What happens in that season is secondary, right? At least action to liye, right? Same with a lot of other clubs as well. Manchester United also needed a reliable central defender, and they bought Rafael Varane. Who else is there, right? They needed a leader in attack, Ronaldo, right? So it's very simple. Okay, whatever you were lacking, you improve in the next season. Liverpool have done exactly the same thing. Okay, people don't realize this, but they might have the most dangerous attack in the entire world. I don't think anybody comes close. What Bayern Munich comes close? I don't think so. I don't think Sane, Gnabry, Coman, Lewandowski, I don't think they're close to Salah, Firmino, Mane and Jota right now. I don't think so. Vinicius, Benzema are playing well, but you can't deny that Liverpool's attack is mouth-watering. I know PSG's attack is really good right now, Messi, Neymar and Mbappe, but statistically speaking, this Liverpool's front four, they don't play a front four, but they have 4 very good attackers, so I'm calling them front four by the way. So I'm saying that their attack is great, nice. Last season they struggled defensively. Why? I'm so sorry. Why did they struggle defensively? Because obviously Van Dijk injured था. Van Dijk पूरा season injured था. He only returned like a couple of months ago, so good for him. Obviously Joe Gomez भी injured था, Joel Matip भी injured था, so they had to rely on a Looney, Kabak and Reece Williams from the academy. So this duo started against Real Madrid. हाँ एक point पे वो actually अच्छा खेलने लगे थे, but you can't rely on them like on big Champions League matches. Okay, Bayern Munich, Barcelona, नहीं, you can't simply start them, right? So they needed another option. Okay, maybe this option won't start every game, but he'll be an option off the bench. ऑफ द बेंच अगर मुझे चाहिए, अगर मेरा इंजर्ड हो गया, अगर वैन डाइक फिर से इंजर्ड हो गया, फिर जो गोमेज इंजर्ड हो गया, होप दे डोंट, बट इफ हो गया देन आई विल हैव दैट गाय ऑफ द बेंच. ठीक है, एंड दैट इज इब्राहिमा कोनाटे. भाई क्या टैलेंट है, क्या टैलेंट है. ही स्टार्टेड आई थिंक 1 गेम ओनली फॉर लिवरपूल, बट बहुत अच्छा खेलता है, बहुत अच्छा खेलता है. ही अंडरस्टैंड्स द गेम सो वेल एंड दैट्स सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अ डिफेंडर. सो हाँ, लिवरपूल ने इंप्रूव कर लिया डिफेंस, राइट. मिडफील्ड भाई एक तगड़ा यंग टैलेंट, एक तगड़ा इंग्लिश टैलेंट प्लेइंग इन इंग्लैंड, ये एवरी टीम में है. ठीक है, इवन आर्सेनल, इवन एज बैड एज आर्सेनल, दे ऑल्सो हैव अ होम ग्रोन यंग इंग्लिश टैलेंट, बुकायो साका. टॉटनम हैव ऑलिवर स्किप, टॉटनम हैव डेली अली एज वेल, वो भी यंग है अभी भी. मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड हैव हैड मार्कस रैशफोर्ड. अभी ऑब्वियसली ही स्टिल ग्रोन सो मच मोर, ही इज नॉट अ टैलेंट एनीमोर, ही इज वर्ल्ड क्लास राइट नाउ. बट उसके छोड़ के भी देयर सो मेनी अदर टैलेंट्स इन मैनचेस्टर यूनाइटेड. मैनचेस्टर सिटी में है, फिल फोडन इज सच अ गुड टैलेंट. द सेम वे भाई लिवरपूल के साथ, व्हाई आर पीपल नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट कर्टिस जोन्स सो मच? आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड, बिकॉज दिस गाय इज वर्ल्ड क्लास. ओके, इफ आई हैड टू पिक लाइक अ वर्ल्ड 11 ऑफ बेस्ट यंग प्लेयर्स, आई वुड एक्चुअली पिक कर्टिस जोन्स, बिकॉज अगेन वो मेच्योरिटी है. आई थिंक इज लाइक 19 or 20, बट उतना अच्छा मेच्योरिटी आई हैव नेवर सीन इन अ मिडफील्डर एवर. ठीक है, आई थिंक लास्ट 2 weeks ago, आई थिंक चैम्पियंस लीग में ही हैड ऑलमोस्ट 4 गोल कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस इन a single game. भाई दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. एंड क्लॉप इज नॉट अ काइंड ऑफ प्लेयर जो he gives chances to the one he likes the most, जो भी है. Like for example, if you have a midfield of Casemiro, Kroos and Modric, you'll be tempted to use that midfield a lot because proven है ना, हाँ ये खेलते बहुत अच्छा. But if you have a guy like Valverde there, you would understand कि Valverde is the one who that this team needs because of energy, वो composure, वो maturity at that young age, वो चाहिए. The same way Klopp, I don't think he thinks twice before choosing Curtis Jones instead of Thiago Alcantara or even Jordan Henderson for that matter. And that is what sets him apart. And midfield maybe they're not like aging players. I think Jordan is like 32 or something, Jordan Henderson. Except that everybody is young. Thiago Alcantara, I don't think they're expecting too much from him, especially if Curtis Jones is playing like this. And obviously Harvey Elliott तो है ही है, but obviously वो injured है. That's a sad matter. But even he was so good when he was there. Left-footed option है. They don't have a lot of players like that. Keita obviously has to improve a lot. Obviously he has Steven Gerrard's number, so बहुत pressure है इसमें. So Keita obviously you can say कि हाँ kind of disappointment है because in terms of fitness he's very inconsistent. But with Fabinho behind them, Jordan Henderson, Curtis Jones, Thiago Alcantara, Harvey Elliott, I don't think people really care about him. And again this midfield can support the attack properly. बहुत बार होता है कि attack world class रहता है but midfield can't provide them. But this midfield can. ठीक है, ये समझते हैं कि कब when I have to go back to the defense, they take the ball and move forward. ऐसा होता है बहुत बार कि defense के पास बॉल अटक के छोड़ता है. It doesn't come forward. But this Liverpool midfield, they understand कि हाँ ball carry करना पड़ता है. ठीक है, and if I was a Liverpool fan, which I'm not, I would be very excited because everything that I want from my team is happening. एक अच्छा support चाहिए था transfer window में, not too much spending. मुझे ऐसा high profile teams नहीं चाहिए, high profile players नहीं चाहिए, sorry. I already have a world class coach, so I just need players who can complement him. कि वो जो बोलता है वो करे. Ibrahima Konate is one of those signings. So he's not afraid to express himself on the field, and that's why you have him in the team. Someone like Van Dijk has returned. इतने साल के बाद वो भाई the impact is had on the defense is unbelievable. ऐसा कभी नहीं देखा था. And I'm sorry, I was one of those people who said कि Van Dijk won't be the same after the injury. I'm so sorry Van Dijk. भाई तू बहुत सही है. You're one of the best midfielders. You're one of the best defenders in the world. There's no denying that. भाई बहुत तगड़ा player है. Okay, and someone like Joel Matip, experienced centre back, Andy Robertson, Trent Alexander, obviously one of the best fullback pairings है वो, one of the best wingers pairing है, Mane and Salah का, Firmino and Jota, they are competing for that spot, midfield इतना तगड़ा है, and best of all, full crowd Anfield is back, and that is what they need. भाई तुम लिवरपूल के फैन भी होना चाहिए. See, I'm not a Liverpool fan. But when I see their intro, जो मैच से पहले वो गाते सब पूरा एनफील्ड गाता है, जो भी लोग आए रहते, everybody sings that you'll never walk alone song. भाई goosebumps आते हैं. I'm not even a Liverpool fan, मुझे goosebumps आते हैं. Imagine like I am thousands of miles away, sitting in front of my television and I'm watching that, I'm getting goosebumps. तुम सोचो players, तुम्हें कैसे एनर्जी मिलता है. If you are players, if you are Salah, if you are Mane, if you are Firmino, you're listening to that song. भाई ये next level है. See, they're not the favorites. Okay, I don't think they're favorites to win the Champions League or Premier League or something. I'm not sure. Okay, Man City have not favorites. See, इस बार भी है. But don't write Liverpool off because if look, they have the perfect balance. Okay, you can't deny that. And if at the end of the season, if they win the Premier League, you heard it from the Football Witness first.